world's a mess, but you're still blessed. A whisper of wind through your fingertips, soft like a kiss, it gently grips. Stretch the sky, touch the blue, find the light inside of you. Every pose a story told, in your body pure and bold. The earth below holds your weight, a quiet hum in a steady state. Twist and turn like a river flows, your heart unfolds as the silence grows. Every movement's a secret song, it's where you're weak, it makes you strong. Close your eyes, let the moment stay. Stretch the sky, touch the blue,